Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to report a fake Facebook account. If you come across a suspicious or fake profile on Facebook, reporting it only takes a few moments. Start by opening Facebook and searching for the account you believe is fake. Once you're on that profile page, look for the three-dot menu near the top of the profile. Tap or click on it to reveal more options. Then select Report Profile. Facebook will ask what you want to report, and if the entire account is pretending to be someone else, choose something about this profile. Next, select fake profile as the reason. You'll then be asked who the account is impersonating. This could be you, a friend, a celebrity, a business, or someone who isn't a real person at all. After choosing the correct option, review the details and submit the report. Facebook will receive your report and review the account, and you'll usually get a notification once a decision is made. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.